Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Photoshop 2022 ready. Sign into Creative Cloud and update to the version with neural filters and plugins. Enable GPU acceleration and permit cloud-based features so processing is smooth. Once done, open a high-resolution source image and keep short, clear prompts or reference images nearby. This speeds iterations and reduces ambiguity. You will also enable any third-party generative plugins now so they appear in filters or extensions. This first step avoids interruptions. You apply the model to a selection or full layer, choosing generation strength and sampling options. These control how much Photoshop alters pixels versus preserving originals. Make a mask first so generative edits affect only targeted areas, and then run a low-strength pass to evaluate results. Once you see a baseline, refine prompts and resample with different sizes or seeds to explore variations. Make sure to use blend modes and layer opacity to integrate generated content with existing texture and lighting. You finalize by converting the generative layer into a smart object and then perform color grading, dodge/burn, and frequency separation to match details and grain. Make final retouches with the healing brush, clone stamp, and selective Gaussian blur so edges integrate naturally. Export in the needed format and save layered PSD for future changes. If you encounter artifacts or odd geometry, lower generation strength, rerun with a tighter mask or new seed, and then manually correct remaining flaws with local retouching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.